Here's our 10 ways to cruise on a budget.
Yes.
Number 1, skip the specialty dining.
Oh man.
The specialty dining can be a great experience. We have enjoyed specialty dining on pretty much every cruise we've been on. But if you want to save money, skip the specialty dining, skip the extra charges, go to the main dining room, go to the buffet, go there for every meal of the day, and you can get a lot of great food.
You can.
And you can save some serious money.
Exactly. And you get to meet new people if you like socializing with new people.
Yes. That's an added perk. So now, are you ready to give them, you want to give them number 2?
Number 2, seek out free entertainment. Okay. What's free entertainment, Joy? Well, they have musicians that play around the ship. They also have, you can go to most ships have a comedy.
Right, club.
Comedy club, that's free. You can go to movies. They have special events that are free. So you just check your cruise itinerary.
Yeah, the daily schedule or the app, and you can find free entertainment all over the ship.
Yeah.
From, like you said, like movies by the pool, the comedy club, just avoid getting the extra drinks, and you can have some free entertainment.
Or if you just, really want to watch some free entertainment, just sit yourself down by the Lido deck or by on your balcony on port days, and you can watch the fun.
Okay.
Like the pier runners.
Okay. Now let's go on to number 3. And this one is not directed to you specifically, Joy, but skip the alcohol. Skip the alcohol. That's going to be a quick way to run up your cruise account, is by paying for alcohol here and there. Now, I know it's a fun part of cruising for a lot of us, and it may be something you might want to compromise on if it's really an important part of the cruise experience for you. But if it's not a big deal to you, skip the alcohol. You can save a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because those drinks cost more than it would be to make it home, which is understandable. It's like that anywhere you go in these days. Number 3, skip the alcohol. What's number 4?
Bring essentials. So
what's that mean?
We just did a video a while back on bringing essentials. So the essentials are like headache, ibuprofen, or cold cough medicine, or Dramamine, just essentials like that. Or if you forget, like a rain jacket or suntan lotion. So, because if you forget any of that stuff, they do have it on board the ship, but it's usually 3 to 4 times more expensive than what you would pay at home.
So if you think there's a chance you'll get seasick, bring Dramamine. If it's not common for you to get a headache, bring some aspirin, ibuprofen, Tylenol, whatever. Any of those sorts of
over-the-counter
drugstore type items, toiletries, that sort of thing, you're going to pay a premium. You can probably find them on board, but you're going to pay quite a bit more. Plan that ahead, put that in your suitcase. And Joy was mentioning the video we did on cruise essentials, and we have that linked in the description below. So if you missed that, check that out. Number 5, complimentary food. A lot of cruise lines have venues on board where you can go and get food at random times during the day. Like Carnival has Guy's Burger Joint and the Blue Iguana. Go there for breakfast or lunch. They've got all the cruise lines we've been on have ice cream out by the pool.
Yes.
Take advantage of that free stuff. On Royal Caribbean, they got the Doghouse, and they've got Sorrento's. A lot of complimentary food options on board. Take advantage of that. There's stuff you can buy extra, but why not take advantage of the complimentary included food? You already paid for it when you paid for your fare. Yeah. Okay, so number 6. You want to do number 6?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I would say avoid the casino, because if you want to save your money and use it for fun stuff when you're at a port or avoid the casino unless you really enjoy the casino. That's fine. You may want to just budget yourself out an amount daily.
Okay, so tip number 6 is avoid the casino unless you really don't want to. So let's say to really save money, avoid the casino. You could win, you could lose, but based on my experience, it's probably going to be an expense. So you can play it safe and avoid the casino altogether. But yeah, if you're going to do it, set a budget. That's a good tip too. Number 7, look
Mhm.
for parking alternatives before you go on your cruise. The most convenient place to park usually is at the parking lot or parking garage right next to right at the port, right next to the terminal. But that can also be typically is the most expensive option.
Oh.
Some hotels near ports will actually have an option where you can pay to stay in the hotel, and they will include free parking during the cruise, and you can get a shuttle from the hotel to the port.
Ooh, that's nice.
And there's also other services out there, other park and cruise type operations. But look into those ahead of time. The convenient option of parking at the port is not going to likely be the cheapest option. So you can save a lot of money by planning
And
ahead of that.
if you have a travel agent, once again, they can give you the best information about
Right.
parking and
They can give you a lot of great
yeah.
advice. So what's number 8?
Explore your ports on your own.
Oh,
So
okay.
I think some of the most fun that we've ever had is when we've just been exploring by ourselves sometimes.
Yeah, so you're saying don't book an excursion through the cruise line or even on your own. You're saying just go off on your own and head to the shops and head to
Yeah,
the little areas.
head to the shops.
Yep. Oh boy. Maybe don't head to
You,
the shops.
it's free to window shop.
Yeah, it is free to window shop. Yes. So explore the ports on your own. Skip the excursions. You can save some money. Just say and be sure to stay in the safer areas around other travelers, other cruisers, so you're not going off into unexplored territory. But it
Yes,
can be a lot of fun
we
to
want
just
everyone to
explore
be
on
safe.
your own. And you
Yes.
just mentioned a minute ago. You mentioned the travel advisors. Number 9 is to be sure to use a travel advisor or a travel agent. They can get you some of the best bargains and help fit your needs, get you just the cruise experience you want, and possibly save you some serious money. So,
We're not travel agents and we're not being paid by travel agents, but
but
we really support travel
yes, we
agents.
really appreciate the service they offer, and there's a lot of good ones out there
Yes.
um, that can help you out. So it's
Hmm.
time for number 10. You ready to give them number 10?
Number 10 already?
Yes,
Oh, that's mine.
that's yours. You gonna finish this up? I started it.
10 is look for freebies.
Look for freebies. What does that
Yeah,
mean?
there are a lot of freebies that you can get, such as if you um, go to an event early,
Mhm.
sometimes you get a prize for being the first person there.
Like happened to
So
you on our Disney cruise. I think it
exactly,
was Disney,
I
or no,
got
it was
no
Carnival.
carnival. I
Yep.
got a free bottle of champagne.
Yeah, just
Um,
by being there early.
sometimes if you sometimes the stores have um, the charm
Oh yeah, on Royal Caribbean,
special
you got
where
the Pandora type bracelet,
so
and each day you went back, you got another.
got another charm, and
Mhm.
then on the last day of the cruise they gave you a free one, or they give
Nice.
you a free bracelet
Wow.
to start off your charm
You
collection
can also,
thing.
if by participating in like trivia and other like game show type things, you can actually win prizes there.
A ship on a stick.
Ship on a stick, and next to your
That's
ship on a stick, you can probably can't see it, but you got some decks of cards.
yep,
You got those for free too, right?
yep.
Just by
So
begging.
no,
No,
not
not begging.
begging, but you can go to the customer service desk and say, "Hey, I was wondering if you have a deck of cards," and they say, "Sure,"
Or they say no. But
or
hey, it
they
doesn't
say,
hurt to ask.
"Doesn't
So a
hurt to
lot
ask."
of great freebies. So that's our ten ideas for how to budget on a cruise.
Hmm.
Be sure to comment down below if you have other ideas for how to save on a cruise or how to budget for a cruise. We'd love to hear those. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Uh huh.
Doesn't cost anything extra. It doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to follow us so you keep up to date on what we're doing. And we'd love it if you like this video.